I mean, I'm just trying to figure out some sort of pattern. And I just can't even seem to find any fish, man. Like, I had that one on the Senko. That's about it. It's not really much of a pattern, you know, and oh, there we go. What the hell? Oh, it's a pickerel. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I gotta deal with this guy. Jesus. That's a nice pickerel. Just saw him come out for that. Come here, buddy. Now, honestly, man, I don't mind catching pickerels so much. I kind of like them. They're pretty neat. They're pretty neat fish. Now, that's a pretty nice looking fish there. Sorry, you probably don't get the best view here, but yeah, he demolished that swim bait. Come on, there we go. Thanks, buddy. And they are some of the hardest fighting fish you can catch around here, honestly. Very underrated fish to catch. Very underrated, in my opinion.